Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper, for example, let's open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the home screen and wallpaper section, then click here to wallpaper, and now we can select our new device wallpaper from our device gallery, so from the previously taken photos on our device or downloaded from the internet. Also we have here just more default wallpapers, for example the 3D, the arts, our just currently wallpaper, natural wallpapers, and also we can click here to more wallpapers. We will just open the just temps, the internet just wallpaper, so we can find them here, so we can use here the free and wallpaper. And also, for example, let's just find okay, so yeah, this is the free wallpapers here. So but to use them, these wallpapers, we should be connected to the internet or to another mobile data, to the Wi-Fi, for example. And just let's use our default wallpaper here. Just for example, let's select this one, click here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen. Now just wait a second, and after that just let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Huawei MatePad device. Also we can do it by the second way. Just first press hold for a while one from your device screens, or just slide with your two fingers here to the center, and on the left down corner you'll see here the wallpaper icon. Just click here once, and after that just you can select one from, you will launch the same wallpaper settings. Just let's use more wallpapers here, and just I'll for example use this one. So just click here, tap to download. Should be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the internet. Click here to preview, for example, if you want to see how that will be how that will look on the lock or home screen. Then just click here apply and select lock screen. After that we can see here the new lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.